Welcome to this complete Fethiye Turkey guide, where we'll be exploring the breathtaking beauty and vibrant culture of this stunning destination. Nestled on the Turquoise Coast of southwest Turkey, Fethiye is a gem of a city that effortlessly marries the old with the new. It's a place where ancient ruins sit side by side with bustling markets, where tranquil beaches are just a stone's throw away from adrenaline-fueled adventures. Over the next few minutes, we'll give you a glimpse into the top 13 things to do in Fethiye. From paragliding off Babadag Mountain to unwinding on the serene Ölüdeniz Beach, from sailing the 12 islands to hiking the Lycian Way, there's something for everyone. We'll take you through the vibrant fish market, the hauntingly beautiful ghost town of Kayaköy, and even take a dip in the underwater ruins. So, buckle up because we're about to embark on a thrilling journey. First off, we're taking to the skies with a paraglide off Babadag Mountain. Imagine it, soaring over the stunning Turkish landscape, the wind in your hair, your heart pounding with adrenaline. From on high, the world below transforms into a tapestry of vibrant colors and breathtaking vistas. The thrill of paragliding off Babadag is hard to match, as the mountain's high altitude promises you an unfettered view of the alluring Fethiye. A truly exhilarating experience that is not to be missed. Next, we're delving into history at the ancient ruins of Telmessos. This city, steeped in myth and legend, was once a significant center of culture and learning during the Hellenistic period. As you wander between the crumbling stone walls, you can almost hear the echoes of ancient philosophers debating morality and the nature of the universe. The experience is quite humbling, reminding us of the fleeting nature of our own civilizations. A trip to Telmessos is like stepping back in time. Now it's time to unwind on the pristine sands of Ölüdeniz Beach. Picture soft, golden sands beneath your feet, the rhythmic hum of turquoise waves kissing the shore. This is a place where time seems to slow down. There's an array of activities to enjoy, from the thrill of water sports to the simple pleasure of sunbathing under the warm Turkish sun. Indulge in the local cuisine at the beachside eateries. Ölüdeniz Beach is a slice of paradise right here on Earth. Let's immerse ourselves in local culture at the Fethiye Museum. This treasure trove is home to a rich collection of artifacts, each echoing tales of the city's past. Marvel at the intricate Lycian sarcophagi, relics of a civilization that once graced these lands. Explore exhibits showcasing the evolution of local life, from ancient pottery to Byzantine-era mosaics. Each piece is a testament to the region's cultural tapestry and historical significance. A trip to the Fethiye Museum is a journey through the ages. Next, we're setting sail to explore the 12 islands on a boat tour. Picture a serene voyage, each island a new chapter in our adventure. From St. Nicholas Island with its Byzantine ruins to the lush greenery of Dockyard Island, each stop is a treasure trove of natural beauty and historical intrigue. Gaze upon the playful dolphins or the solitary sea turtles as they accompany our journey. A boat tour of the 12 islands is a journey of discovery. Now we're lacing up our hiking boots to tackle the Lycian Way. Let's embark on a journey through ancient Lycian ruins, pine forests, and coastal villages. This trail, stretching over 500 kilometers, offers a moderate difficulty level, catering to both seasoned hikers and enthusiastic beginners. Along the way, stunning vistas of the Turquoise Coast, hidden beaches, and majestic mountains await. As we traverse this historical path, we connect with the region's rich past, making every step an adventure. The Lycian Way is a hiker's dream come true. Next, we're heading to the bustling Fethiye fish market. An absolute delight for seafood lovers, the market is a cornucopia of the freshest catch. From red mullet to sea bass and everything in between, the variety here is simply astonishing. The market is always humming with energy as vendors haggle and buyers examine the day's catch. It's not just a market, it's a snapshot of local life, brimming with color, noise, and an unmistakable aroma. The Fethiye fish market is a sensory feast. Now we're off to discover the eerie beauty of the ghost town of Kayaköy. Once a bustling Greek village, Kayaköy now stands as an ethereal monument to a forgotten era. Its stone houses, over 500 of them, lay abandoned, whispering tales of a bygone time. The town's desolation is a poignant testament to the human history that once thrived here, yet its spectral charm draws visitors from all over the world. Kayaköy is a hauntingly beautiful reminder of the past. Next, we're getting a little messy with a mud bath at Dalyan. Imagine yourself submerged in warm, silky mud, the Earth's natural spa treatment. This isn't just a frolic in the muck, folks. These mud baths are rich in minerals, known to detoxify the skin and soothe aching muscles. You might look like a swamp creature for a bit, but emerging from the bath, you'll feel rejuvenated, your skin tingling with vitality. Plus, it's a hoot. A mud bath at Dalyan is a rejuvenating and fun experience. Now we're diving deep to explore the underwater ruins. The remnants of an ancient civilization lie beneath the azure waters of Fethiye, whispering tales of bygone eras. Marvel at the intricate stonework, the columns that once held grand structures, now home to vibrant marine life. Imagine the thrill of swimming alongside curious sea turtles through corridors of history. The underwater world here is as rich and captivating as the land above. Diving at the underwater ruins is a surreal adventure. Next, we're off to the enchanting Butterfly Valley. Tucked away between steep cliffs, this valley is a vibrant oasis teeming with life. Imagine a place where thousands of butterflies flutter amongst a rainbow of wildflowers, a sight that's as mesmerizing as it sounds. The valley is a haven for various species, making it a biodiversity hotspot. Feel the tranquility as you explore the lush landscapes. Take in the fragrant floral scents and listen to the soft hum of nature. Butterfly Valley is a nature lover's paradise. Now, we're exploring the dramatic landscape of Saklikant Gorge. A natural wonder, Saklikant Gorge was carved by the relentless force of water over millennia. It's one of the deepest canyons in the world, where the walls often touch the sky. The gorge offers an array of activities, from simply marveling at the rock formations to braving the river on a tubing adventure. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a nature lover, there's something for everyone. Saklikant Gorge is a testament to the power of nature. Finally, we're ending our journey with a taste of the vibrant nightlife in Hisaronu. This bustling resort town comes alive as the sun sets, pulsating with energy. The air is filled with music, from live bands to DJ-spun tracks, catering to every taste. Dance floors beckon with their infectious rhythms, while a multitude of restaurants serve delectable local and international cuisine. Street vendors add to the lively atmosphere, offering an array of local treats. Hisaronu offers a perfect end to a day packed with adventure and discovery. And there you have it, 13 fantastic things to do in Fethiye, Turkey. From the adrenaline rush of paragliding off Babadag Mountain to the serene relaxation of Ölüdeniz Beach. Delve into history at the ancient ruins of Telmessos, or immerse yourself in the local culture at the Fethiye fish market. Sail the 12 islands, hike the Lycian Way, and feel the eeriness of the ghost town of Kayakoy. Indulge in a therapeutic mud bath at Dalyan, or dive at the underwater ruins. Visit the enchanting Butterfly Valley, explore the stunning Saklikant Gorge, and let loose in the vibrant nightlife of Hisaronu. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or an adventure seeker, Fethiye has something for everyone. This vibrant city is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. So when are you planning your trip to Fethiye? The adventure awaits.